Hi guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah guys, today is a good day. Today is May the 12th, Tuesday, May 12th. And like I promised you guys, we're going to get into this video of me repotting my bird of paradise. As you can see, she has grown tremendously all over the place. So, from the last time I seen you guys, first let's move this out the way. From the last time I seen you guys, she's getting another leaf. So I'm going to show you guys that, and then we'll come back. All right. All right, guys. So here is the new leaf, if you can see it. This is the new one that you guys seen recently. And then here is the next one right here that's growing right here, if you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and get into the video. We are going to repot this baby in our new white pot, y'all. Okay, so you guys are going to sit here and you guys are going to watch me do it. All right. All right, guys, we're just going to get into it. So I'm going to spray. First, we're going to take this baby out, y'all. This is the nursery pot. Oh my gosh, she's heavy. Ooh. This is the nursery pot that she came in. Wow. And I had her in this pretty basket. So we'll use this basket for a laundry basket to put like socks or something in. And this is my one of my dinner plates that I have been putting underneath her for drainage. So I'm going to put her over there. And this is what she looks like in the pot. So I don't see any well, I do see roots here, but there are no roots coming out, so I don't think or feel that she's root bound. So you guys know I picked this up from Ollie's. Woo, this sucker is big. So we're gonna place her here, and as you can see, she's a little dirty. So I'm gonna spray some of my, I don't know if somebody returned this, or was it just, pots, other pots inside of this one, and it made it dirty. So I'm just going to be on the safe side and wipe out any residue that is in it, like so. And I'm going to rinse this off, you guys. That's what's in there. So we already have to clean this plate really good. So as long as you clean it, it'll be fine. See, she's all cleaned out, and this is her dirty tissue. So I am going to go ahead and putting her in here. So if you guys want to stay tuned for that, then keep on watching. But she's clean. She is in all her beautiful glory. Isn't she beautiful in her white humongous pot? Guys, I am going to go back and get more dirt because I just think she needs it. I want her to do very, very well with her new home. And I'm going to do the best that I can with her. But I just wanted to show you guys what she looks like. So the next video that you guys will see, she will be upstairs in the bedroom on top of her stand right now. Now I'm going to put her back on the stand until we're moved, and then she's probably going to get a different type of stand if I can, but if not, she's going to be where she is. So stay tuned for the next part of the video. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video of me repotting my bird of paradise. Let me know in the comments what other kind of plant videos that you would like to see, and I will bring you guys along for that. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.